Bathini bona. Bathi wena une attitude mpho libajwa. Ibwaka wena Scotto. And before I talk about you, I just want to know that I need to get my wings, okay? Before Scotty, before I speak about you, I must have wings. I must have the wings that light. I can't just speak about you without wings, my baby. This cup is even stronger than load shedding, because even in load shedding, it's going to light. On Scotto! Scott's emotion, I like you, you help me to grow. Madam, so how will I grow? Yeah, I'm again. I am Sims, and it's at the right Sims on Instagram, so please follow your sister. Don't forget that I also promote businesses and YouTube channels. If you are looking for more subscribers, more views, you want people to come over there and cause traffic, hit me up. If you want more customers for your business, before we get into today's video, I've got the lovely Fulu. Okay, her content, guys, I love her vlogs. Can we please give smaller YouTubers a chance, because they really give us, they really put effort, they keep giving us, and I keep plugging you guys. So every time I show you a channel here, run over there like you're about to run now. Let's get her to 1,000 subscribers, guys. YouTube is a paid when I talk about mine, because I don't have it, it's hard to, it's a paid platform. So when you get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, you can be part of the paid partnership program. So let's help other kids also monetize, so that they can also buy Red Bull cups.
Hello guys, my name is Fulu, a South African content creator based in the Middle East. Please follow me on my YouTube channel. It's called Fulu and Leroy. It's just a content regarding some of the things we have done while we're traveling, some of the wild things that we had to explore. Please guys, subscribe, follow, like, comment, help your sister grow this channel. And guys, there's still much more coming. I'm still new and I need all your support. Thank you guys.
Batung Luna. Hey Scott. Umtana wase Shane Pinoni next to Bossbeck at Davidton. Yes, at Davidton Square. He became very famous because of his songs. Hi Sugama. Hi Wanama. Like his songs are like Batsini Bona. You know those songs, they are just like he's talking and then a flate here and there, flate here and there, flate here and there. We fell in love with him, and then he even gave us that dance. No, I went to white schools, you can see rhythm. But I was a dancer. It's just that my muscle memory, but Scott was you know, his own dance. We fell in love with him. Everywhere he went, people would stop him and scream like, Scott, woo. You know. Guess what Scott was like? Abegana S. At 16 tons amehlo bala umlomo uthanda ubheka be. uScott ayenza abantu so athi hayi wena Scott yo ungazozenziso yaminzi ngeThursday. Bathi Scott attitude.
Sexy Scott. Scott maphuma. Ngicela ukushaya interview nyana 30 seconds. I think Lungi says something. Kingi. Ingi. Eh? Oh, why unshebile wena? Unshebelang. Akukho loti mbusi. Mara na akukho loti. Akukho loti next. Silo ko buphilo. Ka ukolotan. Manje unshebileng. Kitcheria hao nna. Kitcheria hao. Yo, unshebileng nna. Yeah? Some puppy now.
If Pala Scott's emotion, I thought to so So now people are like, oh, Scott, yeah, we tried to take pictures with you, you don't want. We tried to say hi to you, you don't want. When you're on stage, you sing, and then you stop the song, and then you do this. And you just want us to behave like we're in assembly. And they were not, oh, you prefect. Scott, these are the streets, okay? And then he made things worse by going to El Tito's podcast. And then he said on El Tito's podcast, he don't need fans, okay? He wants us to give him space. He wants us to give him space because he wants to be an astronaut and go to space. So South Africa is very quick in listening. As a unit, we can listen. Sham, people have started giving him the ignorance button. You know when you call and then you see ignore? We've started to press the ignore button. And then man, now he is in shock. How can you be shocked by what you've asked for? This is not ShopRite. This is not USave. This is real life, bro. Okay? Now, people are really ignoring him. Gigs are getting cancelled. When he's singing, people keep quiet. Now he says, no, guys. Actually, this whole thing was an act. I was acting. I actually am not rude. I was just doing this rudeness as part of my marketing strategy. Which one? Which strategy? Because I don't even see the strategy being played on Monopoly. This is don't pass begin, don't collect 200, go straight to jail card. This strategy. Konamanje, you are here saying sorry. First, that video of you saying sorry, it's like you still have more attitude.
Lay official video. So kushukuthi leya izolo ya bengiqinisile, it's just that abanye abantu bafuna ukuthi mhlawumbe uzukhale ke. But ngibonile ukuthi no man ngihethe nabantu ebengingamelanga ngibahethe, bengidwisa nabantu ebengingamelanga ngibalwise. Uyangithola? So ebantwini abangilandelelayo like straight up I'm sorry guys. Ngiyazi abanye nibheke kimi na. Yabona? So sisonke mina nginani, yabona? Obviously the aim yama haters guys ukuthi ngiyeke, you understand? And ebhekani ngitsheleni something. Angiyindawo. Sorry. Batalani inyanga zenu kahle. Yangana mina manje kwamanje ngisakhuluma nabantu abangithandayo. Nabantu vele abahethekile. You understand? Angifuni ukuthi South Africa.
Scotto. Wait na. Mimpo, I know you, my brother. You come from where my grandmother grew up at Davidton. But your behavior, it really makes me feel like I'm better at Pumlani Cemetery. No, because the behavior yakho Scott. Ngathi sise taxi rank simela ama taxi ayethokoza. Yo Scott uphathana kabuhlungu shem. Mina noma ngathini angisakhulumisi shem. And sengicabanga kahle sengica. It's not like anything's going to change, but like I'm just saying what you mean, like me hands, you know, like am I just speaking for myself or am I speaking for like the YouTube? Like in Kulmela Bantase Davidson or in Kulmela Bantase Twa, like in Kulmela Boban. So like if me to Scott and Hatter like no, but to Scott and Hatter because umbo uhlale Davidson in the